Okay, guys, before you can say a forex trading strategy actually works well, it means that you must have tried it 10 times, and out of the 10 times that you are trying it, at least you will be getting 8 winning results from there. Okay, you will be getting 8 winning results from there, and that is why I am so I am having a lot of confidence with this particular trading strategy, which I have been using, and I've been giving us the full details of it in most of my videos. Okay, so if you have been following up with my videos, you must have heard me saying a lot of things about the trend trading strategy. Okay, I'm going to give you a few tips about it in this video, and I will show you a good trading activities which we picked up over the weekend, and of course I'm going to show you the trading result right from here. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question at all, feel free to drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay. And of course, guys, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, like I said, the trend trading strategy is, for me, it is the best trading strategy for trading any forex assets. Okay, because it helps you to trade for a very long time. Then it helps you to trade a certain pattern for a long time. So, if the trend is on uptrend, then you will know that you are focusing on uptrend till the very end of the trend. If it is on downtrend, then you know that you are focusing on downtrend till the very end of the trend. And that is one beautiful thing about it. And it simplifies all the issues of the analysis. You don't need to stress yourself too much. You just allow it to flow once you are able to get the right direction of the chart. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to give you a few examples over the weekend. If you are on the Telegram channel, then you should be able to testify to this. I dish out some trading signals on the Telegram channel. The first one happened to begin next 1200. This is 15 minutes time frame, and on this chart, I am having my custom made indicator 3M trend milker custom made indicator, and of course, it helped me to analyze the market better. Okay, I noticed that this actually got to the support zone around there, and it's about going into an uptrend. And of course, I tried to draw out my trend lines just for me to understand where I should go in. Normally, naturally, if you are having a trading tool, you going in right from here would have given you the best results. However, if for those that are not having it and for those that wants to follow the signal, I need to be sure that all these are going to go in that direction. That is why I had to draw the trend line just for me to be sure. And of course, I gave us our entry points, and of course, I also gave the stop loss, and I gave the 3 TPs for this particular asset. And as you can see, got to the first TP, second TP, third TP. This is on 15 minutes time frame. You can see, so if it is on uptrend, just follow the trend and buy to the very end, and that's so amazing. So it has been trying to go on downtrend, but it is still playing around there. So we are most likely to have more of a selling opportunity right from there if it cannot break out above the resistance zone. So keep an eye on that. If you are having this trading tool, it will help you to achieve more. Another asset which we also gave out signals for was gain next 999, also on 15-minute time frame. You can see the entry point, this is the entry point, the stop loss, and of course we had TP 1 2 3 4. Okay, and of course we achieved all. Okay, we also cleared all the TPs. Okay, so this is another win for us. Okay, over the weekend. Okay, so this is the last one, Penex 1200. Okay, so if you should notice, this was on uptrend before, But after getting to the resistance zone, I realized that it was playing around here. And there are two things that can happen based on that. It is either it breaks out above the resistance zone, or probably it's changed the direction of the trend into a downtrend. So for me to know if it's really going to sell for long, I have to draw out all these trend line for me to know once it breaks out from there, because you can see it tried to go back into a downtrend around there, but was unable to go fully. And you can see it playing up and down, playing up and down. So it is risky for me to dish out a signal without being sure that it's going to go fully into a downtrend at that point. Okay, so I had to draw out my trend lines to know, okay, if it breaks out from here, where will it get to? I realized that, okay, it's most likely for it to get to this region and go back again. So I still drew out another trend line again, and let me see if it's going to break out from that particular spot. Okay, so good enough for me. It broke out, and of course I was able to analyze better and bring out my signals. Okay, you can see signal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything were achieved. Okay, 5 TPs played out on this particular chart alone. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. Okay, so if you really understand how it works, you will always make profits with it. At least out of 10 analysis that you will be doing using this same strategy, you are most likely to be having 8 wins from there. Okay, so and I think that is a good winning rate for you. Okay, if you are able to achieve this. Okay, so guys, a quick recap on what I've been trying to explain since morning. Okay, like I said, for me, the best trading strategy for any of the forex asset, even crypto asset, is the trend trading strategy. So, and how do you go about it? The first thing you need to know is to identify the trend. If you don't know how to identify the trend, you can get trading tools that can help you identify the trends. If you don't have anyone, then here is one on the chart which I am using. Okay, when the market is on downtrend, it tends to red. When it is on uptrend, it tends to this color yellow. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so then the next thing is to know if it is coming from a resistance zone or probably a support zone. Okay, so it actually depends on where the chart is coming, the movement of the chart is coming from. If it is from a resistance zone, there are two things that can happen around the resistance zone. It is either there will be a breakout above it. If there is a breakout above the resistance zone, it means it will continue to buy. Okay, but if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will change the movement of the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, so that is it. But if it is from a support zone, there are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout below the support zone, or there is a change in the direction of the trend. Okay, and of course, guys, if it get to the support zone, and of course if there is a breakout, it will happen in this form. You can see it broke out below this support zone at this point, and it will keep on selling. Okay, but if it does not break out from there, it will go back up and keep on buying. That means it's going to change the trend from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, and of course when you are in an uptrend, then definitely the signal you should follow is a buy signal. But if you are in a downtrend, the signal you should follow is a sell signal. It is as simple as that. So if you are able to put all this together, then you are good to go. So if you have a good trading tools that can help you to achieve all these, then you are good to go. If you don't have anyone, here is a good one. And of course, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp to know how you can get yours. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. If you have any other question, can you drop your question down there in the comment section? And you can also join the Telegram channel. Right there, you get more information about trading activities, and also you also get to see free trading signals right from there, which you can follow. Okay, and make sure you keep whatever results you are getting from there to yourself. Okay, so it is as easy as that. Okay, so and of course, guys, um If you have any question, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.